this is just what it is. You have to realize what it is. It's me, it's me, it's me, it's not the money, it's me. Oh, come on guys. I want just to grab your attention because this is about the value ladder. I was posting there yesterday and now I'm just making some joke here, showing up something here. What's that? Who can realize what it is? This is something what we were gonna talk about. Hi guys, anyway, this was just a kidding, just a joke. I want to talk with you, I want to share something very quickly about the value ladder. Okay, so this was kind of like a quick idea, very fast idea in my mind that I was driving and I was like, everybody wants to make money and everybody seems to have all the same problem, like how to make your first dollar online. Okay, so you see, and I said, well, there should be some kind of like solution what I can show people how to do this starting from $1. Okay, how to do this starting from $1. If I can do something like just for community out there. Okay, I have all sorts of those different courses like $7.99, of course, Streaming Club, Monopoly, and blah 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 blah. Okay, those are 6-7 courses out there. But how can I do something? Because those are like, you have to pay money, cost, fee to enroll in those courses. Started from what is the 97, I think, is for alpha course up till the private coaching program, which is over 1,000. Okay. So, but if I can do something like very simple steps to show people how to grow income, starting from $1, okay? You don't have to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but how to grow income starting from $1 up till $100,000 in 1 year. In 1 year, how can you grow from here to that here? Okay, so this is not something what I read about, this is what I did. So if I did this, why shouldn't you do this, right? You don't have to invest thousands of dollars in the trainings like, well, I invested, but you don't have to do this. Let me just, if I can do something for you for $1, okay, and if you find out that that information or that training what I gave it to you for $1, let's say it's, oh, you know what, it actually helps, it's cool, if it's cool, I will gonna give you another offer here, so which means I will gonna help you to come to the next level here, right? So if you think this is okay and you come to next level here, let's say for $7.99, okay, this will be the entry price for the next level here. And if you find that this is really helpful to help you to make something up, growing up to this one, just if you find this valuable, you would probably, that's my idea, that's my kind of like project strategy tactic, you would probably be willing to come one more step closer to that number, right? That's just how I think, okay? So, by saying this, I can bring you just from starting from, you see, I'm not the believer that the free stuff will gonna help somehow. I'm sorry, this is just not my approach that if I'm giving something for free, because of the experience I have been doing dropshipping for 40 years, and this in this area for 40 years, and I know every time I give something for free to people, it makes no real value. So that's why I don't want to give it for free. I want you to be willing to commit to this huge investment of $1. Okay, so what you are risking is you are risking $1. Sorry, there is no refunds. I will not gonna refund you. Some people say, yeah, I will gonna refund you. No, I will not gonna waste time. I will not gonna waste time to refund $1. If you think this is a high risk for you, please do not. Because probably you will gonna be tricked, probably I can mess up with you, probably I can mislead you, probably you can just lose your $1. Well, Andrew, that was not very encouraging what you just said, but I want you to know, that this is your high risk product, okay? So, if you are willing to risk it, because any business, as far as I know, even the Starbucks out there, even the grocery shops out there, they are risking. They start the business because they were not 100% sure everything will gonna go out as expected, but when they put their whatever dollars they put there in their business, they knew that it was gonna cost risk for them. Okay, so if you are willing to risk with $1, enter the value ladder coaching. Okay, it's no obligation. You can quit here, you can quit here, you can quit here. It doesn't matter. But what I can show you how to get from step to step to step to step to step to reach this one in 1 year. 2019, anybody can be getting here. Okay, you don't have to pay 100,000 to me. No, I'm not charging so much. Okay, but this is what I'm just offering. Very simple steps how to do this, what to do this when you just entering this online business. What is that you have to do first to get on to closer to your dream, whatever the number is. Maybe your number is not 100,000 and by the end of 2019, maybe now, maybe it's only 50,000. Okay, cool, no problem. Okay, but I can give you the steps. If you will put the million up there, sorry guys, switch off this, because I will not gonna show you how to make in 1 year 1 million. Even if I believe that, even I believe it's possible, even I know people who did this. From $1 to 1 million, I know the people who did this. I'm not saying I can show you this because I never did this myself. I did only, well, I did more than one. Actually, 150. Okay, that's what I did. But this is not what I'm showing you. I'm not gonna show you this one. I'm gonna show you how you can do this one. In a 1 year, from $1, and actually I had no $1. I started with a minus 20, basically. Okay, so anyway, there is some journey what you have to do. I will gonna teach you in a very simple ways. You don't have to buy anything here. You don't have to buy anything here, but you can use whatever you want from what I'm giving to you. Now, for this entry fee, the link is below. No, not yet, but the link is anyway. The link is out there somewhere in the group. The link is in a previous post. I will gonna put the link in these comments as well. If you think you are really courageous to invest $1 to find out if this is for you, the dropshipping system, how to work, how to start with the dropshipping and go up and up and up, okay, step by step. What's the next step? Okay, you got $1, you probably earn $1. What's the next step? How can I get maybe monthly 10 bucks, mine 10 bucks, okay? Because you see, if you want to get your first 1,000, here, at some point, if you want to earn your first 1,000, you have to know how to earn your first $1, your first $10, your first $100, what it costs for you to earn $100, okay? Because there is no cheeky-bricky business, there is no Christmas miracles that something will gonna happen and you will start earning $1,000 every day immediately. It's not happening, at least in my cycle of the knowledge or people, okay? But I know how to make the value ladder up, up, up. This is what I'm teaching. If you are interested, please click the link, invest your $1, and let's do this journey from New Year started, okay? We will gonna start from the new year, okay? There is no obligations. There will gonna be, for $1 you will gonna get 3 live webinars from me, okay? I will gonna go live with the 3 steps, like 3 steps, but 3 principles. We're gonna explain 3 principles, 3 things what you have to do, something in 3 days, in 3 days. So this is for the 3-day coaching. If you think this is too much, this is not worth, no problem, no, by all means, just follow me on this group here and do on your own pace, okay? Cool guys, thank you. Just wanted to do something like interesting. We'll see how it will gonna go out, okay? I never did this before. This is new project. Let's see who will be in, okay? I think it will be quite a good, funny journey up there to see who eventually will gonna come up and do the same what I'm doing, okay? Cool, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching here. And yes, The links will be in the course there, not in a Facebook group, but the links will be in the course there. So please, I will gonna send you some emails as well. Don't miss the emails. Okay, not this year, next year on the 2nd of January, I'm gonna send you some email with the links. Just follow there, and we will gonna meet inside the first training, how to get up on a value ladder to make your first $1, and then your first $10, and then your first $100, first $1,000, and first $10,000, and hopefully your 6-figure income by the end of 2019. Happy New Year! See you next year. Bye bye.